This is Alard item Y4645, a Solbern PTF-DPG Tumble Filler. We have right here in stock at Alard Equipment Company. We're going to show you how nicely this operates at this point. It has variable speed drives and all the usual Solbern Tumble Filler goodies. And we're going to try and fill some ducts here. One of the things I wanted to mention before we start this up and show it running, we're going to run this conveyor as slow as it goes at this point. Obviously, it can be sped up. Well, maybe not obviously, that's why I'm telling you, but it can be sped up quite a bit. But we're just kind of doing this as a way to illustrate that the machine is operational. It's not a perfect test. Normally, if you have cans all in a line, there will be line pressure and everything. They will be all together in one row, and et cetera, et cetera. So it's not a perfect demo test relative to what you would see in production, but we think it'll show the machine doing what it's supposed to do. And I will leave you to be in suspense until that happens.
Sure.
Professor Chris, what do we got going on here?
Well, we only have so many ducts. So we're not going to be getting full cans out of this because normally the thing would be extremely full of product dropping.
Okay.
There would be cans all through the system, so we wouldn't be getting separation from the cans. They would be chime to chime, so that every can is getting all the product dropped right over the center line of them. So we'll get some separation in what we're doing right now, but that's not how it would normally run. Other than that, we should be good to go.
All right. All right, action. Not getting any light in there. Getting duckies. Okay, we'll see if we get a little more light this time. All right, we're going to do this again. Yeah, that gives us a little better look. All right, so okay, maybe not our best demo ever, but you can see the machine does what it's supposed to do. It tumbles, it shakes, it fills. And if you have any questions about what this machine does and doesn't do, should or shouldn't do, whether it would fit your process or your application, give us a call at 315-589-4511. So there you have it. That is our item Y4645, a Solbern PTF Model DPG Tumble Filler, in stock at Alard Equipment Company in excellent operational, mechanical, electrical, and cosmetic condition, available for immediate shipment from Williamson, New York.